Welcome everyone. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will show you a easy and fast technique to replace the sky in Photoshop. As always, Alamin Tushar here. I have already created that effect. Let's delete everything and recreate this. Let's go to the channels and find which channel has the most contrast between the sky and the grass. In this case, blue is the one. Do a copy like this, bring this to the new layer icon. Now simply press Ctrl L to bring these levels and adjust it and bring the most contrast out of it. Basically, we will keep the grasses, so this should be black and the sky should be totally white or something like that. Adjust the levels according to that. I think this will do quite well. Now simply press OK. Let's see. Play with this sliders too. OK. Now go to the brush tool with a white color selected and the blending mode is normal, and brush out some of the area with white paint, and press X to toggle between the foreground and background color, in this case black, and paint these areas with black. We will keep these areas. Keep in mind the black will remain and the white will go out. Press Ctrl L again. That will bring up the level adjustment again and adjust the level so that all the sky areas are totally white and the blacks, that means the grass, are visible. See, press simply OK. Now let's see which area it has selected. See, the red areas are selected. Now simply Control and click here to make this selection, and now mask it out. Mask, and press Ctrl I to invert the mask and simply unhide the sky layer. If you don't hide, then let's hide it and go to File, Open, and simply open a sky which you like. Where I had given my sky, yeah, here they are. Let's see, find. Should I use this one? No, I think this one will match this. This will open that with a new layer. Just simply drag it over and resize it. I think this will work. Okay, let's and simply bring this to beneath the subject layer and make some adjustment with curves to match this. Simply a curve to bring a little bit more contrast because the grass has more contrast. So I think that's all. Thank you. I basically like the sky which I had already put in.